Hello everyone, I'm Deeksha Naik, first year CSE, and my topic is Interactive Smart Stickers, an innovative product that is introduced to you that promises to make your daily life easier and more organized. They are called Smart Interactive Stickers. If you have ever found yourself running late because you couldn't find your keys or glasses, or perhaps you experienced the frustration of forgetting your wallet when you need it the most, the perfect solution to this is to stay organized. Interactive stickers are equipped with Bluetooth connectivity and a powerful mobile app. These stickers up can be placed on commonly misplaced or forgotten items such as keys, wallets, or glasses. This is a prototype of my project, a sticker that can be customized and an app which is user friendly. Once you attach a reminder sticker to your item and sync it with the mobile app, the app allows you to set customized reminder for each item. So you set a reminder and you're about to leave without your item. Just as you're about to walk out of the door, the reminder sticker will emit a gentle sound or vibrate to alert you. It's like having your personal assistant and showing you never forget anything again. Not only are the reminder stickers incredibly useful, but they are also eco-friendly and reusable. You can rest easy knowing you're making a positive impact on the environment. Thank you.